If you are looking for fruit or food or juice that can help to lower your blood pressure, improve your blood flow, or give you a good source of vitamin C, a source of folate and antioxidants, then this here is the one. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make beetroot juice that can help, or that has a whole lot of nutrients that can help to reduce the BP, increase the blood flow or help the blood flow, that can help to reduce even cholesterol, help you even in your exercises, and a whole lot more. So let's get started. I have here some apples, beetroot, and a carrot. So I've already washed them. I'm going to be cutting them into smaller sizes and then we juice it. Simple and short. So keep watching.
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze. Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh. Golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. Cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum.
I'm done cutting or slicing all of them. So the next we're going to do now is to juice them, and we're starting with our apples. Yeah, we're going to be using our Buchi Mix juicer. If you have not watched the unboxing video, you can check that on our channel. So let's start juicing.
Blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound. Where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze. Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. like a piano sigh. Golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. Cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found.